See this example. Find the zeros of the following polynomials by using factorization method. Here we are using factorization method to find zeros of the given polynomials. Okay. See this fourth example. T cube minus 2t square minus 15t equal to 0. Why? We have to find zeros of the polynomial. Okay. Here t is common. T is common, remaining t square minus 2t square. T is common, so we have minus 2t. We have 15t. Here t is common, so remaining 15 equal to 0. So here t equal to 0 and t square minus 2t minus 15 equal to 0. Okay, here t equal to 0, nothing but alpha equal to 0. Okay, here see this polynomial. Here highest power is 3, so degree is 3, so this is called cubic polynomial. Okay, cubic polynomial has 1, 2, at most 3 zeros. Okay, so we have 3 zeros. See this equation. This equation like ax square plus bx plus c. This is our general quadratic equation. So we have to find the roots. Okay. T square minus 2t minus 15 equal to 0. So first in quadratic equation, first we multiply a and c. Here a is 1 and c is 15. 1 into 15, 15. 15 can be factorized into 3 into 5. Either we do addition or subtraction to get middle term. Middle term is minus 2t. Okay. T square, split the middle term. 3 plus 5 equal to 8. 3 minus 5 equal to minus 2. Okay. Write minus 3t plus 3t minus 5t minus 15 equal to 0. Here t is common. T plus 3. Here minus 5 is common. T plus 3 equal to 0. So in brackets both are same. T plus 3, T plus 3. Okay. Here t plus 3 is common. First term we have t, second term minus 5 equal to 0. Okay. T plus 3 equal to 0 and t minus 5 equal to 0. Here t equal to plus 3 comes to this side, minus 3. T equal to minus 5 comes to this side, plus 5. Okay. We get 3 zeros. First alpha equal to 0 and beta equal to minus 3 and gamma equal to 5. Okay. Next example. 2x square plus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 4. Okay. Fifth one. 2x square plus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 4. It is equal to 0. Here take LCM. LCM is 4. This is 2x by 1. 2x square by 1. Okay. 2x square into, we have 1. We have to get 4. 1 is how many times to get 4? 4 times to get 4. Here 7x into, we have 2. 2 is how many times to get 4? 2 plus 3 into, we have 4. 4 is 1 time equal to 0. 2x square into 4. It is equal to 8x square plus 7x into 2. 14x plus 3 equal to 0. By 4 comes to this side, into 4. 0 into anything equal to 0. Okay. 8x square plus 14x plus 3 equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation. So splitting the middle term. by using A and C. 8 into 3 equal to 24. 24 can be factorized into 8 into 3 or 2 into 12. Okay. So either we do addition or subtraction to get middle term. 8 plus 3 equal to 11. 8 minus 3, 5. Okay. Here we not get 14x. Next 2 plus 12 equal to 14. Okay, we get 14. 8x square plus 14x, write as 2x plus 12x plus 3 equal to 0. Here 2x is common, remaining 4x plus 1. Okay, here 3 is common, 3 4 12, 3 4x, 3 is common, 4x plus 1 equal to 0. 4x plus 1 is common, first term 2x, second term 3 equal to 0. 4x plus 1 equal to 0 and 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, 4x plus 1 comes to this side, minus 1 into 4. It will become by 4. X is equal to minus 1 by 4 is nothing but alpha equal to minus 1 by 4. 2x equal to plus 3 comes to this side, minus 3. X equal to into 2 comes to this side by 2 and x equal to minus 3 by 2. Here x is nothing but beta equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay, we have two zeros, alpha and beta. Alpha is minus 1 by 4 and beta is minus 3 by 2. Okay, next example. Sixth example is 4x square plus 5 root x minus 3. Okay, which is equal to 0. Okay, splitting the middle term by using A and C. Here A is 4 and C is 3 equal to 12. 12 can be factorized into 4 3's. 4 can be factorized into 2 into 2. Here 3 into 3. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. Okay. So 2 can be, we have root 2. Okay. 2 can be factorized into root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 equal to 2. Okay. Next 2 into 3. 2 3's 6. 6 root 2 and root 2 into root 2. 6 root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2, 2. 2 into 6, 12. Okay. So either we do subtraction or addition to get middle term. Okay. 4x square plus 5 root 2x can be write as 6 root 2 minus root 2. 6 root 2 minus root 2. Here root 2 is common. 6 minus 1. Root 2 into, we get 5. This is 5 root 2. Okay. Minus 3 equal to 0. Here 2x is common. Remaining 2x. 2x is common. We have 3 root 2. Here minus 1 is common. Root 2 plus 3 equal to 0. Here see these brackets. In brackets both are not same. Okay, both are not equal. So we have to equal these two. Okay, 2 into, here root 2 is common. Root 2x, 2 root x, 2 root 2x is common. So root 2 into root 2, 2. Here we common root 2, remaining root 2 x plus root 2 is common. We have 3. Okay. Minus 1, 2 root 2x plus 3 equal to 0.